here, you won't have the opportunity to see it live, of course, the production of the olive oil. We start, we're off season now, we start again in October until February. In winter time, that's when we harvest the olives, that's when we produce the olive oil here. Now you should excuse our mess, we're now taking everything apart for cleaning, servicing, you know, but you can see the basic idea. First of all, have you ever seen how olives are harvested from the trees?
No.
What we do, you saw it in the video inside, you can see it.
We'll look inside, yeah.
The video I have from the winter.
Okay.
What we do is spread nets under the trees, we cover a big area around the trees, and then we use a machine like this, mostly, or variations of this machine, just a very simple machinery, a long stick with a small motor connected to a generator or a battery that we take to the fields. And this has a rotating head, you see, like this, soft edges, so it doesn't damage the tree or the fruits. And what we do is just hold this along the branches of the tree, all around the tree, spinning, hitting the olives to fall onto the nets. It's very, very simple boat, actually. Anybody can do it. You're more than welcome to help in winter time if you're free. We need a lot of hand work for the harvesting of the olives in winter time.
So we need to tell our YouTubers that they can come here and help out. Do they sleep?
As they want.
Can they sleep here?
But as much as olive oil they want.
Okay. And do you have room and board too?
Yeah.
Yeah, and food? For the Leute, for the people? Okay, I tell them.
And raki as much as they want.
Raki, oh my goodness. Okay, I tell them. But it's hard work.
From the nets then, we gather them together, the olives, we put them in sacks. Then we bring the sacks over here. We empty the olives in here and we start this process. Now, the first stage in this corner here, this is a cleaning stage for the olives. And that is very important also, the olives to be clean and with no foreign objects inside. Important for the quality of the olive oil that will be produced. And because of the way we harvest the olives, as you can imagine, there are also a lot of leaves coming from the trees, small branches that break, and then dust and dirt, many things from the nature. So they climb up here through these two machines you see on the top first. These are like vacuums. They suck the leaves, anything lighter than olives, blows it out. Olives then drop in there where they're washed with water, and nothing but water. Always clean and cold water, nothing else. And then they come down here where we weigh them to see the net weight of the olives. And they continue up here. And here is where the real process starts. Here is where the olives are crushed. Right? All together as they are, with the seeds inside, crushed into a kind of paste. So this paste then is distributed in these tanks here. Now these tanks are nothing more than very big mixers. Just slowly turning around this olive paste for about 30 minutes. So it all gets the same consistency, okay, the consistency that we need for the last stage over there. So look. Everything clear up now?
Yes.
It's not something very complicated. So this is the last and most important stage of this process. That is the separation of this olive paste and the extraction of the olive oil. Okay. And that is done in two steps. First here, then here, using these two types of centrifugal separators. You're familiar with this, centrifuges? No?
Centrifuge.
Please explain.
Yeah, I'll explain you with a few words. It's now first here. This is not complete. That big cylinder you see down there that goes on top. That spins very, very fast. This olive paste then is pumped inside the cylinder, and because of the spinning and the centrifugal force that is created, that pushes the lighter ingredients, like in this case the liquids, to the outside walls of this cylinder while the solid parts stay in. Okay, a little more complicated than that, but the philosophy is that. So that's what we do here. We separate liquids from solid parts of the olives. Now the solid parts of the olives are mostly the seeds inside, including the skins and the flesh, the pulp of the olives. And all those solid parts, they go down from here and then out. You see out the window? It's gathered on the side over there. And that is a great byproduct of this process also. Actually, we have zero waste from this process. Everything is used. This is this material here, if you want to have a look. Right, these are the solid parts of the olives, mostly the seeds of the olives, crushed in pieces from there and dried. It doesn't come out like this. Any ideas what we use this for?
No. Coffee.
No, it's not. It's not edible.
No. Building materials? I don't know.
No, this is our biofuel.
Biofuels.
A kind of biomass we burn for energy, for heating mostly. And this is widely used on the island. A lot of houses use this for heating in the winter time.
And those are the seeds.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Small industries like bakeries, for the women, or meat dairies, or distilleries, and pottery, and many others. And generally, where fire and heat is needed, we burn this instead of diesel or gas or any other
Very
fossil
good.
fuel. Great stuff. A lot cleaner. The definition of the sustainable energy is material here, and because Crete has millions of tons of production of this, it's here. That is very, very cheap in compared with other kind of fuel.
Right.
So it's a great solution for us here. All right, so that goes out, and then we have the liquids, and by liquids I mean olive oil and water that are inside the fruits mostly. They come to these here separators, and again with the help of the centrifugal force, water goes out in the back, and from here we take them 100% to olive oil. Right, that is all.
That's amazing.
It's that simple.
You do these in batches? Like these 8?
Yeah, because of the different farmers I was telling you inside that we accommodate here. We have separate compartments, so each farmer takes back his own olive oil from his own olives.
Oh, good.
Also, a very important thing you must know is that this is a cold process. Very, very important for the quality and the taste of the olive oil. That means that the temperature of the olives or the olive oil never exceeds 27 degrees of Celsius.
Okay.
That is important because that allows the olive oil to sustain the vital ingredients like vitamins, polyphenols that are otherwise destroyed by heating. Okay.
And is it filtered or unfiltered?
No filter.
No
at all.
filter.
Not
Very
filtered
good.
at all.
Very good.
When it comes out from here, it's stored in tanks over here. It must be left for at least 20-25 days, so it settles down. Okay, it filters naturally. We don't pass it through filters. Filters also sustain some good things of the olive oil. Right.
When you're in production, what is normally here on the site?
Olives.
Olives.
In here, outside, in the back, on the sides, everywhere. In winter time, there is a panic. Exactly the opposite of it is now. We work 24/7.
I imagine. Where do, with this, is the raki made from the skin of the olive?
No, raki has nothing to do with olives. Raki is from the grapes, a distillation from the grapes.
Yes, thank you. That's right.
really old factory, the one my grandfather started back in 1965.
Oh,
See the old machinery, some of them left. And come and try the olive oil here. Now the olive oil we have here is all the same, only in different bottles and sizes. Only the best selected. Try it here. Use a piece of bread.
Okay.
Take it
okay.
in. Try it.
I do it.
Let the video go.
No, we
And
do
then-
it. We do both.
It's finito.
Yeah, test it, Joachim.
Okay.
And sag's mir.
Must, they cannot see the taste anyway. from
He
the
needs to
video.
go,
They
mmm.
must-
Und Joachim.
Yeah?
Lecker?
Yeah?
Okay. And who are these people?
These are my great grandfather,
Yeah,
my grandfather,
yeah.
and that's my father.
Ah, okay.
Oh, sorry.